Hi, good morning. It's not morning. Hello, good day. I'm Suzanne. Thank you for tuning in. I am a single woman over 40. I do things like travel around the world by myself, which maybe isn't that crazy, but if you haven't done it and you want to do it, I am here to inspire you. But I'm also here to say other things, and they are seemingly incongruous. But what I wanted to do was put the computer on this laptop stand. And so I just thought I would record all of it. So I'm recording with Zoom right now, and I was going to plug in this headset so that you could hear me better. Today's experiment is really fun. Okay, second task is doing this. And then one of the reasons we're recording this right now is because my hair looks good today. So that's always good. Always good to pick a day to record when you look good instead of like wearing my pajamas like I normally look with you guys. Here we go. I got this. This is a very portable laptop stand, and I'm about to look 10 times better. See? Yeah, it's better, right? Okay. Anyway, so the reason that we're recording today is because I used ChatGPT. And so I wanted to do a little video on ChatGPT for dummies. I'm going to tell you in my own words what I think ChatGPT is and try and describe it to you. And then we are going to use ChatGPT to write a script for a YouTube video called ChatGPT for Dummies. And I'm going to read it to you and see what it says. So this is me telling you what I think ChatGPT is and how to use it. So ChatGPT is a software developed by a company called OpenAI. What it is, it's software that you can ask questions to. And you can ask pretty complex questions to it. You can ask it to write you essays. It will answer questions. And you can provide a startling amount of detail to get answers to your questions. I have far from explored the gamut. I've queried it 3 times. So I'm in a perfect place to explain, what it is if you don't know anything about it. What you do is you could just type in ChatGPT into your browser, chat.openai.com. You have to sign up for an account, put in your email address. It will send you a confirmation code. You click the confirmation code. Then it gives you a blank space, kind of like Google. And there's a field, and you start asking it questions. Then it answers them, and that's it. And then you're amazed, and you keep asking it questions. And that's pretty much what happens. So this is what happened when I typed in the query, write me a YouTube script for ChatGPT for Dummies. I'm going to read this to you now. Intro music. Hi there. Welcome to ChatGPT for Dummies. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can interact with it. First off, ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It's essentially a computer program that has been trained on a vast amount of data, enabling it to understand and respond to human language. Now, you might be wondering how ChatGPT works. Well, it uses a technique called deep learning to analyze and understand the patterns and structures of language. This enables it to generate human-like responses to questions and prompts. To interact with ChatGPT, all you need is access to the internet and a device such as a computer or smartphone. You can use a website or app that has integrated ChatGPT, or you can even chat with it directly through platforms like Discord or Slack. I didn't know that. So how can you use ChatGPT? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can ask it questions, get recommendations, play games. I didn't know that either. Or even just have a casual conversation. Weird. Just type in your query or prompt, and ChatGPT will generate a response based on its understanding of the input. It's worth noting that ChatGPT is not perfect, and sometimes it may generate responses that are irrelevant or nonsensical. Good to know. However, with the right input and prompts, you can often get useful and informative answers. So there you have it, a brief introduction to ChatGPT. It's an incredibly powerful tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks, from simple queries to complex problem solving. Thank you for watching ChatGPT for Dummies. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Outro music. It literally wrote that. So that's what it did. I'm coming back to you now. No, this is off script. I hate scripts. I suck at them. So that was me reading the script from the computer program. And to me, it seems like a little bit technical. For dummies, like, do dummies really need to know that it's a large language model. I mean, is that relevant? Deep learning to analyze and understanding the patterns and structures of language. I mean, I can see how it would think that you might find that to be relevant, but I don't think it is. So if I were to rewrite that script, I would take that part out. Anyway, I just find it super interesting. And I wanted to ask it how it would describe itself to somebody who doesn't know anything about computers. So I'd love to know if you got more from my explanation or from the ChatGPT explanation. Now, it's worth noting that ChatGPT up to this point hasn't been updated from 2021. So if you're asking it about current events like earthquakes in Syria, that's what's recently happened, it won't know anything about that. Or sorry, the earthquake was in Turkey. It won't know that. But earlier, I asked it to write me a business plan, and it did pretty well. I think it's a great tool to use as a starting point, but would you want to use it as your own? No, because then you don't have your own personality shining through, and that's what makes videos interesting. So anyway, let me know if you've used ChatGPT, if you want to use it, if you're scared to use it. I specialize in dumbing down technical things for people that don't know anything about them. And yeah, I'd love to help you learn more. So tune in and we'll do more of this. Let me know if you liked this analysis of ChatGPT as well. And we'll see you next time.